Bootstrap is a statistical technique that involves repeatedly resampling a dataset to estimate the sampling distribution of a statistic. The technique is widely used to estimate standard errors, confidence intervals, and p-values for a wide variety of statistical analyses such as regression, classification, and clustering. The basic idea of Bootstrap is to create multiple copies of the original dataset by sampling with replacement from the observed data. This creates a set of Bootstrap samples that are used to estimate the distribution of the statistic of interest. By calculating the statistic on each Bootstrap sample, we can estimate its sampling distribution and calculate its standard error. Bootstrap is useful when the distribution of the population is unknown or when the sample size is small. It can also be used to test the robustness of statistical models and to compare different models. Bootstrap has the advantage of being easy to implement, and it does not make assumptions about the underlying population distribution.